If you're tired of gas-powered pressure washers that are loud, messy, and require constant maintenance, this might be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Today we're reviewing the EcoPower Plus 3200 PSI Electric Pressure Washer, model HPW3200. This is a battery-powered unit designed to deliver serious cleaning power without gas, cords, or hassle. But can a cordless electric pressure washer really compete with gas models? Let's find out. The EcoPower Plus HPW3200 delivers up to 3200 PSI, which puts it in the range of many mid to high-level residential pressure washers. That means it's powerful enough to handle driveways, sidewalks, decks, siding, patio furniture, and even vehicles. The spray pressure feels strong and consistent, especially when tackling built-up dirt or mildew. For homeowners who want serious cleaning capability without stepping into heavy commercial territory, this hits a sweet spot between power and convenience. One of the biggest selling points of this unit is that it's powered by Eco's battery platform. Keep in mind that the battery and charger are not included with this specific model, so you'll need compatible Eco batteries separately. The cordless setup means no dealing with extension cords or gasoline. You simply connect the battery, hook up your hose, and you're ready to clean. For anyone already invested in the Eco ecosystem, this makes it even more convenient. The build quality feels solid and well engineered. The frame is sturdy, and the overall design is modern and clean. It features large wheels for easier movement across different surfaces, whether you're rolling it across grass, concrete, or gravel. The hose and wand storage is thoughtfully integrated, helping keep everything organized. Overall, it feels like a premium residential pressure washer rather than a budget electric unit. This pressure washer includes multiple quick connect nozzles, allowing you to switch between spray patterns depending on the job. Whether you need a narrow, high-pressure stream for stubborn stains or a wider spray for general cleaning, the system makes it easy to adjust. The foam cannon attachment is especially useful for washing vehicles, giving you that thick soap coverage before rinsing everything clean. Compared to gas-powered models, the noise level is noticeably lower. You still hear the motor running, but it's far quieter and more neighborhood-friendly. There's no gas smell, no oil changes, and no pull start frustration. The startup is simple and smooth, which makes the overall experience much more user-friendly. For homeowners who value convenience and lower maintenance, this is a major advantage. The EcoPower Plus 3200 PSI pressure washer is ideal for homeowners who want strong cleaning performance without dealing with gas engines. It's especially great for people who already own Eco batteries for lawn tools. If you're maintaining driveways, patios, siding, fences, and vehicles regularly, this model offers a solid balance of power and ease of use. Overall, the EcoPower Plus HPW3200 proves that battery-powered pressure washers can deliver serious performance. It offers the power most homeowners need while removing the hassle of gas and cords. If you want strong cleaning capability with modern convenience and lower maintenance, this is definitely a pressure washer worth considering. If this review helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below what you're planning to clean with 3200 PSI power.